It's finally spring, and it's time to get organized. So we have some apps to help you organize your vault and to manage your workflow.
All right, let's start with Google Drive. Google Drive is a free storage system from Google. It allows you to share documents. You can share images, charts, presentations, all sorts of stuff with anyone on your team. Then if you want to go in there and you see something you want to edit, you can put in a comment and Google will notify the rest of your team via email, or you could use Google's chat client Hangouts and send a little message. Hi Amanda, ping, I made this change.
The only problem with this app is that it's a package deal. So if you have the Google Drive app downloaded and you want to edit a document or a sheet that's in there, you need to also have the document and the sheet app downloaded. You also need to have your Gmail app downloaded and the Hangout app downloaded if you want to take advantage of all of those. But they do work together really well.
Lots of apps to carry around. All right, next up is Dropbox. It's easy document and image storage for iOS and Android. You can organize, scan, upload documents with your phone. It syncs to your desktop account, same as Google. You can integrate it as well with your Microsoft Office account. So if you don't want to do the Google so much, but you do have Microsoft, this could be an option for you. The business packages have some great settings for sharing files and showcasing them with the team or with clients, but
the business plans are not free. Dropbox is only free up to a certain point and up to a certain amount of storage, and after that you have to start paying.
So make sure you have a good expense account. And then finally, we have AirDrop. Now this is a great one-touch sharing option for documents, video, photos, and you don't need Wi-Fi or good cell service. So if you're on the job site and you're close to each other and you have Bluetooth enabled, you can just boop, drop, and then she'll get it.
The only problem is this doesn't work for Android devices. It only works for Apple devices. And it also doesn't help you organize your content. So once the content comes to your phone, you're going to have to figure out where you want to put it and where you want to store it. Okay, so that's what we've got for you guys, but we really do want to hear from you. So you tell us, what do you like? What are you using? Are there other apps that you like that we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments.
So until next time, this has been ClAppBack.